Meet the Elios 3, an unmatched combination of intelligence, versatility, and stability that instantly turns asset data into digital insights. Relying on a unique combination of LiDAR technology, computer vision, and onboard processing power, Elios 3 opens doors to a whole new world of inspection, mapping, and surveying. With the all-new SLAM-based stabilization algorithm, pilots from all skill levels can perform complex missions with close to no training. Elios 3 floats, still as a stone, even in the toughest conditions. Like an indoor GPS, the LiDAR scans its surroundings to build a centimeter-accurate map. This map is displayed instantly to the pilot, empowering him with exceptional locational awareness. Reporting is done intuitively on a high-resolution 3D model of your asset. Points of interest captured in flight are readily available in Inspector. Thanks to an integration with GeoSLAM Connect, Elios 3's LiDAR data can be processed to build survey-grade 3D models. The modular payload bay features 2 ports providing aerial capabilities for a range of upcoming applications. With its signature cage, collision-resilient flight controller, and unique reversing motors, Elios 3 is the only mapping drone in the market that can recover from a collision without crashing. The IP44 design allows for the inspection and mapping of harsh environments. Elios 3 delivers stunning close-up images, even in complete darkness. The static payload now comes with a fully unobstructed field of view, a 4K camera, a distance sensor, a thermal camera, and up to 16,000 lumen of light. Thanks to the industry-leading dust-proof and oblique lighting system, looking for pitting, cracks, or buildups becomes as natural as doing it manually with a flashlight. Elios 3 offers up to 12.5 minutes of flight time, so you can go the extra mile on every single flight. In a radically changing industry, digitize the inaccessible using Elios 3 and get full operational clarity inside your assets in all safety.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.